landowners and hunters, and it all centers around hunting dogs. One area landowner says hunters and their dogs roaming on private land is totally out of control. As ABC 13's Brittany Slaughter shows us, he wants the state law to change.
The right to retrieve law in Virginia allows hunters to walk onto someone else's property to get their dog, but they must be unarmed and on foot. Appomattox County landowner Michael Morris tells me it's getting out of hand.
They come onto the property. I don't know who they are. Often I'm here, they don't get permission and proceed anyway, which is an impact on safety.
Morris says he's found bullet holes on land from hunters driving onto his property with weapons despite posted signs. Morris would like to see the law amended to prevent retrieving dogs between sunset and sunrise. He's also hopeful for changes that would require hunters to identify themselves when coming onto your property. Senator Mark Peake tells me he doesn't see that happening.
It's a fight between Virginia's long-standing hunting tradition and property rights for landowners. So it's a tough act to balance.
Kirby Birch with the Virginia Hunting Dog Alliance tells me the issue has been blown out of proportion.
This comes down to being a good neighbor. And hunters are obligated to be a good neighbor. And there are some that don't, but they are very, very few.
2 proposals were put forth this year by the Department of Wildlife Resources. One requires dogs to wear GPS tracking. The other says reasonable effort must be made to prevent dogs from entering property. Both amendments received overwhelming disapproval during public comment. I asked DWR Lieutenant Jessica Ferris how both hunters and landowners should proceed this hunting season.
It just comes down to ultimately hunters being responsible, ethical hunters, and landowners trying their best to get along and respect the fact that they have the right to participate in the sport.
Whether you're a hunter or a landowner, if you experience an issue, you're asked to contact the Department of Wildlife Resources. Back to you.